Hi guys, my name is Yasmin. If you're new here, welcome. If you're not, thank you for coming back to my channel. Okay, so as you guys can see from the title, today I'm gonna be trying out the 2x samyang spicy ramen noodles, which I'm really excited because I'm a huge fan of the original one. It has definitely changed my life. Like, I wasn't a spicy food person before, but after I tried that out, I was like, whoa, I fall in love with spicy food, and I just wanted to eat everything spicy after that. So I'm really excited to try this one, the 2x one, because I want to know how spicy it is, and hopefully I don't die. I have a 9 AM class tomorrow, and I'm hoping that my bowel is really not gonna be that bad today, because I really need to go take a class tomorrow. So without further ado, let's get trying. Alright. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is exciting. Right. This definitely, from the first bite, it thorough kick in. There's no wait. For the first one, I feel like this is similar to what everybody says on YouTube. Like, for the original one, sorry guys, but the original one, it definitely, the spiciness takes time to kick in. But this one, after the first bite, you immediately feel the spiciness. But I feel like it's still as good as the original one from the first bite. Okay, I'm trying to challenge myself to finish all of this without drinking any water. I don't know if I can do that, because with the original one also open, I have to drink water, but since it's a challenge, I want to challenge myself. Let's see how well I do. Okay. It's nice. Really nice. Amazing. Oh. Okay, I feel like reaching my water. Oh. But I still have half of the noodles to finish. I think I can do this. Oh my god, this is making me hard to speak because it is gonna be raining soon. So I'm sorry about lighting and also the noise situation. Oh, oh, I can do this. I'm gonna slowly do this. Because I know if I drink, it's gonna be much more spicier. Oh, it's starting to feeling. I'm starting to. Oh my god, I'm starting to feel it in my throat. Oh. Sorry, I'm not talking that much because it's gonna be hard for me to talk because it's so spicy. It's so good. I want to drink water. Ada sikit lagi. Mas lubi. It's just sausages and eggs left. I can't even talk properly. Whew. My stomach is gonna regret this tomorrow morning. I'm done, bro. Alright guys, that is the end of this video. Let me know if you managed to try the 2 times spicy ramen noodles, and let me know whether you prefer the original one or the spicy one. For me, I don't mind both. Tastes are a bit similar, except for this one, the spiciness immediately kicks in, and it definitely, I can still feel the spiciness, like as in it's really spicy. If I eat the original one, oh my god, oh, I can hear better. I don't know why. Okay, if it was the original one, the spiciness doesn't stay in your mouth, but this one definitely stays in the mouth. My tongue is still burning, and it's making me hard to speak. But yeah, I would definitely recommend you guys, if you guys really like the original one, definitely try out the 2 times spicier version. So yeah, that is all from me. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video, and if you enjoy this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to me if you haven't already. I'll see you guys. Bye.